Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add sort to report in Microsoft Access. This is a powerful feature that helps you organize your data in a more meaningful way, making it easier to analyze and present information clearly. Let's dive right into the process. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and load into your database. Once the software has loaded along with your data, you're ready to begin adding sort functionality to your report. The first thing you'll want to do is open an initial database table to get started. Once the table is open, look at the left side panel of your screen. This is where all your Microsoft Access objects are stored, including your reports, tables, queries, and forms. Now, to add sort to report, simply locate the report you wish to add a sort on. You can do this by scrolling through your objects list on the left panel. Once you've found the report, double-click on it to open it. With the report now open, click on Home from the top navigation menu. From here, locate the View drop-down menu and select Design View. This view gives you access to the underlying structure of your report, where you can make modifications and customize how your data is displayed. Now, under the Design view, you'll see the Group and Sort button prominently displayed. Click on it to enable this feature. Once you've clicked it, the Group, Sort, and Total tab will appear at the bottom of your report. This is where you'll configure all your sorting options. Click on Add a Sort, and you'll be prompted to select the field where you wish to add the sort function from your report. Simply select the field where you wish to add your sort function in by clicking on it from the list of available fields. After selecting your field, you'll need to configure the process of sorting. You have options depending on the type of data in your field. For numerical fields, you can sort from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. For alphabetical fields, you can sort from A to Z or Z to A. Choose the sorting order that makes the most sense for how you want to present your data. Do note that you can add several sorts on different fields by clicking on the Add Sort button again under the initial sort you've added. Simply repeat the process to add more sort on fields to your report. This allows you to create complex sorting hierarchies where data is sorted by multiple criteria in the order you specify. For example, you might sort first by date and then by customer name within each date. And there you have it. You've successfully added sort functionality to your report in Microsoft Access, making your data more organized and easier to interpret. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.